Hey y'all, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I am so freaking excited about this package. I just cannot wait to share it with you. I ripped it open. So I was like, I gotta record this. I'm over the moon excited. So first of all, I waited a very long time to get this. My husband ordered this for me as a birthday present for me, and it did not get here on time, but that's okay. But he ordered it in December, like before Christmas or right after Christmas. I think maybe like around the 28th or something of December. So like the end of December, and it just now got here, and it is March 10th today, 9th or 10th. I think it's March 9th. But anyways, so it took a very long time to get here. But let me show you what it is. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So if you know, you know. Okay. Oh my gosh, come out. I'm so excited. This is the Aleana practice hand, and she is beautiful. Now, this is the most realistic silicone fake hand I have ever seen on all social media. So this is the one I wanted, and my husband got it for me. He is the sweetest. Let me bring you down so we can get a good look at her. Oh my God. Let me get her out of her package here. Holy smokes. Wow. You guys, I'm so excited. Isn't she beautiful? So I would like to introduce everybody to my newest client. This is Poppy, and she will be popping in and out of videos. So excited. What is that? A little something on her. It feels so weird. But this is going to help me make so much more content for you guys, and I'm so excited, and I can do tutorials and like little art things. She's beautiful. Wow, it's so realistic. It's so creepy. Oh my God. Hi, Poppy. It's nice to meet you. I'm gonna have fun freaking out my clients with this baby. So I got the color Autumn, I believe. They have 3 different skin tones. They have winter, autumn, summer. Winter's the lightest, autumn's the middle, and summer's the darkest. So I just got the one right in the middle. Just thought it would be a good, nice skin tone to have, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And I've got the hand painted one. So it's got all the little hand painted details to make it even more realistic. This is what the palm looks like. Holy crap. You guys, look at that detail. It's insane. It is insanely realistic. And I also got the posable one. So this one has the wires in it, and that way you can bend it. I'm really scared to bend it. I want to be so super careful with it. So, but you can bend the fingers down and move them around so you can pose it any way you'd like. Oh my God, she's beautiful. So I didn't order any nail tips with it. I just told my husband that, you know, I would find some of my own to fit it, which I'm sure I have some. And honestly, the reason I didn't is because I'm going to have to find my own nail tips to fit it anyways, because I'm not going to continue to order from this company because it's forever and a day away. I believe they're based out of Portugal, if I'm correct. Shipping takes forever, obviously, so I'll have to find something a little bit more accessible to me. But I am stoked about this hand, you guys. I am so excited. And I believe I got the Alexandria one. They have 2 different styles. There's the Alexandria and the Alenis or something like that. I'm not really sure. And I'm probably butchering all of these names, but that's the one that I got. And I do want to say, because my husband really wanted me to mention this as well, customer service was not the best. He contacted them just to get like an idea of when it would come, because he was really trying to get it for me for my birthday. Of course, I knew about it and everything, but he wanted me to have it for my birthday as a birthday present. And he contacted them in February, like just around the early beginning of February, just to kind of get an idea, because it had been almost a couple months since he ordered it. And they messaged him back and said that they were sorry about the delay, and it was shipping out that week, and they would put it like on like an express shipping or whatever, which he was like, oh, that's fantastic. Great. Thank you. Sorry, I had to pause there for a second. Some sirens were going by. So like I was saying, he contacted them and they contacted him back. They said they would have it shipped out. And then it had been like 3 weeks and we didn't get any shipping notification. So he contacted them 2 more times. He was very polite. And all he wanted was an update. Like, has it shipped? Is it coming? Just want to make sure, not in a rush to get it, because we knew it was going to take a long time, because these are handmade. We know it takes a very long time, and that's totally fine. All he wanted was a little bit of communication saying, yeah, we are still running behind. It's not quite ready yet, which would have been totally fine. But he didn't get anything back for 2 emails, and he was really frustrated about that. So he wanted just, some kind of like, hey, is it coming? Has it shipped out? Is it finished? Just some kind of communication back to know like about how much longer it was going to be, because he, like I said, he wanted to have it for my birthday. It didn't make it in time. It was like a couple weeks late. What is it? My birthday was the 27th, so it's been just a little over a week late. So close, but didn't quite get here in time, but that's okay. I'm super happy to have it, but he said to let everybody know that customer service was just a little lacking. So okay. What I also got with this, like, you guys, I'm just so excited. This is probably the biggest purchase that, I say I've made, like everything we do is together, me and my husband, so that we've made for like content creating. Like usually the only like big purchase items I make, like my lamps and stuff, that's for actual work for clients. I don't usually splurge on just for content creating, because I love content creating, but it's not my main focus. My main focus is my clients and my full-time job as a nail tech. But this is definitely the biggest splurge, and I am so excited. So we got the stand for it. Now they have all kinds of stuff. The Aleana practice hand company, whatever you want to call it, they have this full one that has the wrist, and then the stand has this piece that pops into the wrist. They also have this attachment for their half hands. Now their half hands, I think, are cut off right past the back knuckles here, and then the back of it has a magnet in it, and it's only 4 fingers. There's no thumb on the half hands. And then this is the magnet piece. So this is magnetic, and then you attach that here, and then the hand just pops onto it. They also have individual fingers. I think they're thumbs, and they're magnetic as well. That is such a genius idea, to have like a magnetic piece in there to pop that on there. So genius. And they also sell heavy, like big stone square pieces to set this on, so it's a nice sturdy foundation for this, and then you can set it on there and then move it around wherever you want it. Otherwise you have to set it like to your table, and then that's kind of just where it is. So I didn't get that big piece, so let's just see how this baby works. Oh, okay, so what is that piece for? That's probably for the bottom. This is probably for the top. Yep. Okay, that moves that around, and then you can tighten it up into place. And I think it extends. Am I right? It looks like it extends. Do I have to push anything? Oh, there we go. No, just pull it out and it extends. And then this pops right on like so. You just slide that in. And she is heavy, so that is why that heavy piece is recommended. And then you just set it down, and there she is. And then you can adjust. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, you guys. I love it. Yep, adjust it into place, and ta-da. So yeah, I'll have to get that piece before I can start using it. So I'll only need this if I get like a finger or a half hand or something. I would love to have this in all 3 shades. And I believe on Instagram, I saw them maybe mention that they're possibly making more shades, which would be so wonderful. But this is such a beautiful color. The hand painting on this is just, can you believe how pretty this is? So I'm gonna grab some tips and see what I can get to fit in these little fingers. There we go. I'm gonna see if my Gel X will fit in here. I think they'll work. And that's what I kind of planned on using. These are the only shape I believe I have in a long. These are the tapered coffin long. I don't use these on clients. I don't love the shape of these. They have a very pronounced C curve and they're just not my favorite to put on clients. So I'm hoping they'll work in my little hand here. See how, yeah, I really still don't like these even on her. They're super pinched. They're just not my favorite, but just to see here. So it's got a very deep pocket for the nail tips to slide back in, and I'm gonna get a different one. These ones aren't gonna work. Okay, here is a natural stiletto long in a size 1. So that might fit the thumb, I'm hoping. She's got pretty small nail beds. So you see the difference in like the C curve. It's not nearly. A 1, yeah, a 1 looks like it will fit the thumb good. So I'm gonna take her off the stand because the stand isn't quite set up for me yet. So you can push this back in here pretty far. Yeah, those pockets are deep. Super deep. And then it's not going to go anywhere, and you can like paint it and file on it and do all kinds of stuff. I'm going to be extremely careful while using this not to like file a lot with the tips in the hand because I don't want to scuff up the silicone. But she is beautiful. I see there's like, okay, that's really weird. Why is it like that? Do you see that? It's like paint under the skin or something. It looks like blood. That's so weird. What in the world? Okay, that's weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, so I feel like it's really hard right there. I feel like that's the wire that bends the finger. And if I like kind of slide the silicone up a little bit, it looks a little better, but like I feel like that's gonna pop through. That is like right there and is so thin. I feel like the armature part of this is going to pop through. I might unfortunately have to contact the company and tell them. Gosh, I hope not. I don't want to wait another 3 months, you guys. But you can see there's some red here as well, and there's a little bit on this finger. Oh, I'm so stoked to get this hand. I don't want to have any issues with it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like I said, there was a little bit more to the story for the customer service. So my husband did email them back one more time and let them know about the issue with the thumb. They told him that each of their products were made by hand and there would be minor imperfections here and there, and that it was basically no big deal. We did express our concerns about, you know, how close it was to the tip of the thumb and that we felt like it could possibly pop through. They assured us that it will not pop through, so let's hope that it will not. We didn't have the best experience with customer service. They were just a little bit rude, and my husband felt like, you know, the issue did not get resolved. He did go on to give them a rating, and he gave them a low rating because he was just really frustrated with the whole situation. Once they received their very low rating, they did contact him back again and told him to send the hand back for a full refund. I told him I did not want to send the hand back. I was happy to use it as is, but I think that the imperfection is minor enough to where it's not going to bother me. I still want to use the hand, but customer service was just a bad experience for us. So yeah, that's pretty much that. But Poppy will be making appearances in my videos from you know, time to time. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I am going to have a lot of fun using it. I did order some tips from Amazon. They should be here soon, and I think they'll fit a lot better than the ones that I had on hand. Yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about these silicone practice hands. Do they creep you out? Or do you like seeing a more realistic hand in videos? So yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.